Hey guys, today we gonna talk about Sony Xperia XA. The Sony Xperia XA is slim and pocketable, but problems with performance and battery life mean there are better choices out there. The good about it is slim design, simple interface and decent selfie camera. But the bad about it is weak battery life, disappointing camera and screen is only 720p. The Sony Xperia XA is one of the most accessible phones in the X series lineup with an attractive price tag, slim design and strong selfie camera. The Xperia XA price has dropped recently, making it an even better buy. But for those looking for something more recent, it's worth noting that it has been succeeded by the equally as affordable Xperia XA1. Sony Xperia XA price and availability: cheapest phone in Sony's newest Xperia X range, launch price $279, current price around $170. The design is one of the slimmest Sony phones ever at 7.9mm, edge-to-edge display gives it a unique look. But don't dunk this phone, it's not waterproof. About the screen is only 720p, so not full HD. Almost edge-to-edge, giving it a brand new look, and 5-inch screen size makes this an easy-to-hold phone. Screen quality is fine, but not at the level of the more expensive Xperias. There's clear brightness loss at an angle and contrast shift at a couple of extreme angles. About the software, it runs latest Android 6 Marshmallow build. Sony's Xperia UI overlay is looking better than ever before, and Android 7 Nougat will land on the Xperia XA eventually. About the performance, Sony is using a MediaTek processor for the first time in years on a flagship line phone. It has 2GB of RAM is the current standard for most mid-range phones and feels less reliable than the cheaper Moto G4. About the battery life, just is not up to scratch considering the lower res display. Fast charging tech doesn't make up for it, but unfortunately no wireless charging on the Xperia XA. About the camera, no sign of the 23-megapixel Sony lens of previous flagships. HDR doesn't work as well as on competitors' phones, and selfie shots are great with the 13-megapixel sensor. The Sony Xperia XA is a slim, good-looking phone that has some high-end charm at a reasonably affordable price.